Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this weekly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. The purpose of this video is only for showing technical aspects and techniques. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 34,350 level on June 5, 2020. The close is above the weekly pivot level of 34,219 level. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 35,400 and 32,131. The technical indicators are positive, and if the manages to close above the 35,400 level, then more upside gains are expected. The PAEL Electron closed at 23.85 level on June 5, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 24.00. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 25.99 and 20.85 respectively. Technically, it will trade sideways as long it remains below the resistance level. The TRG closed at 27.26 level on June 5, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 27.97. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 24 and 45. The stock has failed to close above the resistance level and produced a small black candle. The oscillator is also in overbought zone. The Unity Foods closed at 12.29 level on June 5, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 13.26. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 14 and 12.06 respectively. Technically, the indicators are showing weakness. The Haskell closed at 14.35 level on June 5, 2020. The close is below the weekly pivot level of 14.56. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 17.60 and 13.10 respectively. Sideways trend is likely to continue. The Maple Leaf Cement closed at 25.93 level on June 5, 2020. The close is above the weekly pivot level of 25.91. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 28.79 and 25.17 respectively. Technically, it is trading sideways within a small triangle. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.